Today we're going to talk about Elon Musk's prefab home, fully automated, fully intelligent. We'll learn about this technology, what the materials are, what the options are, what's so special about it, does it have artificial intelligence everywhere? And, of course, the price in the United States and whether it could be available in other countries, especially since it's so expensive elsewhere. Comment below. If money were no object, would you buy a smart home, and even more so an Elon Musk smart home? Well, that's it. Leave your comment. Remember, it's my dream to buy a plot of land there, near the dam, and build a container home or an Elon Musk prefab home, who knows? Anyway, that's my dream. Comment yours below. I'll react to a video here, okay? That documented all of this. I'll give my opinion, let's talk. And remember, at the end of the video, I'll leave the channel for you to subscribe, okay? Let's go then. 3, 2, 1, go.
Possible. How can Tesla build a 34.8 square meters, hurricane-resistant house off the grid? The answer lies in Tesla's revolutionary approach to home building, applying its expertise in car manufacturing. Just like mass production in gigafactories, Tesla uses an automated assembly line to produce homes, which reduces labor costs by 40% compared to traditional construction methods. Instead of building one house at a time on construction sites, they produce several houses simultaneously. In
other words, the entire process is factory-like. What does that mean? It means you build in one place, in a factory, with pre-programmed machines. So they build there according to a schedule, and it doesn't depend on that construction that, rain's delay. Then, the bricklayer gets a stomachache, it's late. You're under stress, suddenly, on the construction site, someone's fired, and suddenly the construction manager is finished. You'll have to hire someone else, or you'll take over the project, a project that often costs 50%, 60% more and takes longer. There's a deadline there that often gets delayed, right? Not here. Here, these smart, prefabricated housing projects, containers, for example, are basically built there in 30, 60, 90 days at most. And they're erected and delivered to you by truck, and you can then take them somewhere else. Come on. Let's continue here, but like this, it's incredible, drastically reducing costs. Another secret is material innovation. Tesla has developed a new recyclable compressed fiber composite that costs 75% less than traditional wood and weighs 40% less than steel. This material, inspired by Tesla's solar tile technology, is used in walls, insulation, and even built-in furniture. It offers superior performance to traditional materials and costs a fraction of the price. Besides, Elon Musk, I don't know if he's doing it now, but he spent a long time living in the house he makes, just to give himself some authority, so to speak. And it's 100% automated, right? The bed, lighting, curtains, lights, shower, projector, everything you can imagine is done, automatically. And now he must have added his artificial intelligence there, which is the real deal, right? Besides, it powers everything, solar panels and everything, it's practically a space capsule. And that's the most wonderful thing, right? If you ever move, you can simply take your house somewhere else, which I think is incredible, right?
That's it. The partnership with boxabl, a Las Vegas startup specializing in foldable homes, helps reduce costs through revolutionary designs that allow homes to be shipped flat, using a single truck to deliver a complete home. How cool is that? Just the house. He didn't mention a deadline, but I know because I've already researched it. So, 30, 60, 90 days max. And then you get here, right? He arrives with the truck. Then you just have to build some foundations, right? A structure to put the house on top, even to connect the electrical wiring and the sewage system, right? Tesla not only builds the house cheaper, but also makes it more practical and sustainable. Each unit is a smart modular capsule, equipped with foldable furniture and storage technology, with smart systems to optimize space. What's interesting is that you can first buy one, let's say it's 15 square meters or 30 square meters. I'm talking about the options you normally have, but then some time has passed. Let's say this one is 30 square meters, some time has passed, you can simply buy another one for another 30 square meters. Besides, you can, build a terrace here, right? You can have a barbecue up here, it's already insulated, no problem at all, it can handle the weight. But then, you have a large lot, and you say, look, here are 2 bedrooms, now I use one as an office, but now I'm going to buy another one, also 30 or 15 square meters, to set up a separate office. So, I'll leave the 2 bedrooms here and make a separate, isolated office there for me to work. Or not, I can simply build one, which will be an office, bar 1 bedroom there for a guest, for example, or I can, instead of putting it next door, put it upstairs and make another floor, if I want. So, like that, it's sensational, sensational. The house includes a compact kitchen, bathroom, and up to 3 bedrooms, and the design of the space allows for expansion when needed. Tesla also applied a series of sustainable technologies, such as a water recycling system, which reuses 98.7% of the water consumed, a waste composting system, and even a vertical garden, which is cool. You can always, right? You can put it up here, right? So you can even have a view there, right? Sunset, you can put the gas grill up there, anyway. And you put the little deck here, look. You put a deck here where people usually put a jacuzzi, right? Make a slightly bigger deck and put a bathtub, a jacuzzi, my god. And then you buy a plot of land there facing the dam, done. Yeah, it's retirement. Since I work online, I can make my YouTube videos there. Look how incredible, my god. That's where I want to retire. It can produce up to 70.7 kilograms of vegetables per year. In addition, the house has a 6.2 kilowatts solar roof, which generates 142% of the necessary energy, storing it in a Tesla Powerwall 3, guaranteeing 7 days of autonomy, even without connection to the grid. You can put a Tesla, a car, it doesn't have to be a Tesla, right? An electric car can be in the garage, charging here using the panels. Look how incredible, right? And also, obviously, why not, right? Why not, you having practically everything there, like, using panels, water reuse, makes it 100% sustainable, let's say, right? So, everyone, if money were no object, did you like this concept of a smart home, a prefabricated home that you receive in 30, 60, 90 days? Comment below if you would live in one of these. And remember, if you want to continue with me in this world of artificial intelligence and technology, I'll leave a video here for you. Remember, this video doesn't end now. It ends with us talking in the comments. So, I want to hear your opinion. Comment below. Let's have this nice conversation, okay? See you in the comments in the next video.